Hey guys, Garry Dean, Rapid Ride Rehab. I'm about to start working on this RV today. I'm going to turn you around, show you what's going on. Then I got to get straight to work because, well, I got other things to do today. So here we go. All right, so I was called out to remove this old peeling traction mat from both steps there. And both steps there, and I am going to roll on some Versaliner, which is the Bedliner, the 2K 2-part urethane Bedliner that we manufacture. You guys know I am formerly the owner of DetailJuice.com, which we've merged with Rapid Ride Rehab and expanded quite a bit. So we own a chemical company where we make detailing products. We also make several other things like my Bedliner. We are working on an automotive clear coat, a very good all-around high solids clear coat, and that'll be available soon. But in the meantime, I'm gonna get these all peeled off, prepped, and then I'll bring you back whenever I'm about to lay down some of the liner. I will be rolling this on today. It makes zero sense with such a small area that I spray it on. Plus, in the pictures, when he sent me the pictures, I could tell that this section was way underneath, and I don't mind spraying it in there. I just feel like we're going to get a little bit of inconsistency with the angle of all of the texture. I just want it to look uniform, so I'm going to roll it on. So anyway, I'm literally going to tape it up around where this was and give it a hard scuff, adhesion promoter, and then lay down the liner. So you see those two steps, and then these two steps, and I'll bring you back when I got something done. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this Versaliner situation is complete. Let me show you. Did my best for straight lines, but I butted right up against the protective film, so you can see it's right against the PPF, paint protective film. This is actually a gouge in the paint, not exposed Bedliner, but looks good. Lines are pretty tight. Had a little bit of stick pull when I pulled it off, but I would say overall they look really good. So that's the driver's side done. It's 2 coats of Versaliner. Again, this is a 2-part 2K tintable, or, well, we make it black, white, and tintable. So I can tint it to whatever color you want. We could have done silver for this thing, but black I think sets it off really nice. So that's the driver's side. Here's the passenger side. Wish I would have. I can probably still round this corner out a little bit if I wanted to. Yeah, I'm gonna get a towel. Before it's cured, you can use isopropyl alcohol on a towel and remove all the stragglers, all this crap from the outside. I'm going to try to round those corners off real quick. I'll be right back. All right, I got that rounded off really nice. Looks good now. So this is the passenger side. All done. 2 coats. Looks great. In about 4 hours, you can step on it and use it, and it looks just the same as it does now, but it's dry. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. I appreciate you taking the time to listen to me babble and talk about things that I do and love. I'm passionate about all things paint and basically everything's that's restoration oriented. So I like to bring things back And if that means you have a new car with a rip in the leather seats, I can fix that. Or fender bender, I can fix that. I can do a lot of things mobile, but I do have a shop. But if you want some Versaliner, whether it's on a step, on a part for an off-road vehicle, somewhere in your house, if you want it in the bed, just give me a shout. 813-846-4406, rapidriderehab.com. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you.